Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This company called THRUNITE, they make a lot of LED flashlights. They wanted to send me this little one to review. Now this is actually a gun mount little flashlight, and I actually don't have a gun that has the rail to connect to it. I do have lots of handguns and some rifles, but I actually don't have a handgun to connect to it. But I thought, well, I'll go ahead and check it out, do a quick review and see what it's about. I may get a rail for my gun in the future to put on here, but for now I thought this would even make a great light. You can carry it and use it as a regular flashlight, and it's so small and compact it'd really go great to put in the tank bag of my CRF 300L dual sport to keep with me. So let's open this thing up. There's the little light itself. Comes in a real nice box. Here we have the USB cable for charging. Here we have some other little parts. Looks like we have some extra pieces. This is there's a little mount here for different type guns, like a Glock. There's some extra O-rings, I guess, and an extra cap for the USB on the back, and then an Allen wrench for adjustments, and a couple screws that come with it. And here we have a manual for it. So when you get the light, it actually comes like this right here, and you have to turn this before you can turn it on. Tighten this down. That's just to keep it from coming on while in transit. And then you turn it on, you can push the button on the side. It does have a button on each side, so depending on what side of the gun you mount it on, or if you're right or left-handed, then you have that option on either side, off or on that. And then when you mount it on your rail, you can see the rail mount here. It's super simple to take it on or off. So all you do is just to crank this little adjustment right here, put it on, tighten it in, and you're good to go. This may be a Glock mount here because you see the GL on it, but then it has another style in here for a different type gun. But this light is extremely bright. It is, I hate to shine it at the camera, but it is really bright. I'll take this thing out when it gets dark here and show you guys how bright this light really is. It is crazy bright for such a tiny little compact light. And what we have here on the back is where it's USB-C rechargeable, which USB-C has become a norm now, and it's really good because it's fast charging. It also is reversible, so it doesn't matter which way you plug it in. You really can't get it wrong. No matter which way you plug it in, USB-C just works. And it's USB on this end, so you can plug it into your car, vehicle, your home, whatever, your cell phone charger, or I can plug it into my motorcycle and charge it up and just keep this in my bike is what I plan to do with it. I actually have this thing already charged up because I already had unboxed it and looked at it, and super good little light. This is actually the THRUNITE TW10. Now they offer all kinds of different flashlights, and I'll post a link below where you can check out their website. You can check out this light and many other options they have, many other huge flashlights to small compact lights to pin lights. This one also says that it's the Black Scout Survival. It's actually got some weight to it. You can tell that it's actually quality made just by the feel of it. And it does have the orange peel lens on it, so it's a widespread. This is not a spot. It's a floodlight, so you can tell by that orange peel right there that it's going to be a flood pattern. And I actually have not taken it out and tried it at night, but we will do that here shortly. So I'll read off some of the specifications for you. It does say it has a P9 Osram LED with a TIR lens. The working voltage is 2.75 volt to 4.2 volt. And of course the material that it's made out of is aluminum, anodized aluminum. The dimensions is actually 77 millimeter by 28 millimeter by 32.5 millimeter. And the weight is 78 grams. It's got a little heft to it. It's not real heavy, but it is, you can tell that it's well made. So the way it's set up too is to turn it on, you just click it one time, either side. You can turn it off or on by either side. And if you want to use momentary, then you just hold it down, let off, and that's momentary. So in the specifications here, it does say it's the output is 900 lumens. Runtime is 130 minutes. The beam distance is 125 meters max. And it does say it is impact resistant 1.5 meters. And it's waterproof IPX-8 2 meters. And it also does have a 2-year free replacement warranty, which is cool. So, you know, they know it's going to be quality. They're going to give it a good warranty. And 2 years is actually a pretty good warranty for something you're going to throw around and use. So now let's take this thing out at nighttime and try it out. Okay, it is dark out here. You see the pole light. So I am going to turn this thing on and try it. Of course, there is light shining on the house right there. So you can tell that it's It's pretty nice wide view, which is probably what you'd want for shooting. I'm not a nighttime shooter, but I would think you wouldn't want to spot all the time. You want it wide where you can see around you, but this little dude is bright. It really lights it up out here. Look at that bush right there. I'll take it around to the side here where we ain't got no light and it's totally dark. You see it lighting up the street signs down there at the road, which is quite a ways down. I'm up on a hill here. Bring it down there. See it on the American flag. Look at it on the house. This little dude is bright. Of course, as you know, probably the camera don't do it justice, but it is really, really bright. Let's shine it down here on the ground, and you can see the little Ford Ranger. Nice and lit up out here. Nice and bright. But yeah, this thing worked great. So for a gun, this thing is going to be awesome. See the little LED light there on the back lit up. You can even see over there on the other side of the road, that's a big sycamore, which is quite a ways over there. You can see how it lights them up. So there's a little bit of moon tonight, half moon. But down there on the road, which is quite a ways down, lights it up real nice. Yeah, this thing is nice and bright. So there you go, guys. What do you think? I think it's actually pretty awesome myself for such a small compact light that you can carry on your gun. You could use it for just a flashlight and do like I'm going to do and carry it in my tank bag of my motorcycle. So there you are. Thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up on this video, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Right on.